Hello friends, hari ka hamzo tonona hanyo halam sok fi warner jo tonona ani video nai tong mani bagai hake tini hanyo hai sing sari ni mai moi song lai final sim tini ni menu kha modo e loge wo tongo wahan bai alu bai simple burger song lai godong ni menu kha muya te okhoi bislei mosobla ti bai khe song lai puila sang godong song lai ne hari. This is bean seed and this is bamboo shoot bought from market. This is not ready yet to cook. We have to clean the harder parts and throw and keep the softer part. It is on process. Now we will clean, we will remove the hard one and we'll keep the soft one for preparing gudok. So you have to clean like this and remove with knife the harder part and we'll keep the softer part and hard one will throw. This is the soft part, see, still not finished cutting. Salt as required and little bit of turmeric. 1 or 2 pins of turmeric you can give, and these are the main menu. This is 3 small dry fish and green chili. You can add it all by once. Wash it properly before adding. And these are the bamboo shoot, clean one. We have cut into smaller pieces. And this is the bean seed. It is very tasty. It is very suitable for gudok. And this is winter bean fruit and some pieces of potato. You have to cut into smaller pieces because if you give the round potato it will not get ripe faster, it will take much time. So to lesser the time I had cut it into smaller pieces. Here comes boil it, and after 10 to 12 minutes we will have to close it so that it will not take much time to boil. So we'll come back after 10 to 12 minutes and put it in full flame. It will be very tasty. That also along with pork meat, gudok and pork meat, it is completely tasty combination. So it is not yet boiled totally. Will come after another 5 minutes again. Hake tabuk sini gudok moi munkha. Hake tabuk bono kulnai. We will grind it and prepare it completely. Also good to bang khai ta khai ji inke gudok doti nosto hoi thangta ai butei bono kisa butei khayai holli. Here comes now our gudok is ready. Holbai kyanke, and our menu for dinner is pork meat, potato, spicy one. This is raw pork. If it is bigger in size, you can cut it into smaller pieces. Tripuri village style pork meat. So friends, our spices for cooking pork is ready. Here comes potato, and this is ginger. It is chopped, and chili, green chili, and this is garlic and onion. So we'll put it now all by once together here. After 20 minutes, we'll open. And so after 20 minutes, it is half cooked already. For 20 minutes or 25 minutes, do not open the cover because it will smell the oil. It is not properly cooked. 20-25 minutes needs the time. Kalau mana letak lebih, ada satu bahaya. Nanti semua mata shot kalau lebih naik kalau banyak hasil. By 10 to 15 minutes time. So after another 10 to 15 minutes, our pork curry will be cooked completely. Sini wahan mui mungka tabu kutung calai sini bin loge kudok wage. So here comes our pork curry is ready with potato. Hambai joto nana ani video pai thak jora norong nai tong mani bagui tebu ketal video ni notification mana bagui subscribe khaidi te ganani bell icon no click khaidi Tei nong ni mare kising song na share khaina ta pok di.